Okay, I can't sing. Oh my God, look at my hair. Like, oh my God. I'm so excited. Okay, let me make it quick, short and sweet. Okay, so I did my own locks, y'all. Yes, I did my own locks. It was only like $30, $27 and change, but yeah. I got 3 packs. Actually, I ended up buying another pack, so I lied. It would have been over $30. I got a new pack because I ended up redoing the top of my hair because my hair was getting itchy. What else? And then they just look like dry and rusty. But honestly, I could have reused them. I did save the hair and never threw it away. But yeah, this is the hair that I used. I'll put a picture in, but this is what it's called. Wiggle lock braid. I used the color 2, 1B, and 1 because they didn't have all the colors that I needed for my hair color, but it didn't matter, honestly, because you can't tell. These are 18 inches. They go down to my waist a little bit. I love these. Oh my God, I love it so much. What else? Okay, so lately I've been wearing a scarf at night because, like I said, the first time I did my hair, the front part, like, I wanted to see how it would do without like tying it up and all that. Plus I don't like tying my hair up or whatever, or I don't like bonnets and all that. So I noticed like the hair got fuzzy like quick, and I only had it in for like almost 2 weeks. So anyways, I did redo the top. I have braids. As you can see, I did not do like any like real parts. Like I just like literally like just like took my hair and just started braiding. Like I just think it looks more natural, you know? What else? I'm on my MacBook looking at my notes. Oh, I have like 88 braids in my hair, or 92, something like that. Something within that range. I'll just say 90 braids. The hair that I got did come with 30 strands in them, and it actually tells you it comes with 30 strands, which is like a lifesaver. So what I did was I just counted my braids, and then like when I went to the store, boom, I found the perfect pack that told me how many strands came in there. Also, I just treat the hair like it's mine. Like, literally. This is my look, y'all. Like, I'm about to start. Oh my gosh. I'm about to start, like, rocking this like it's my hair. Like, no more naturalista. And honestly, the reason why I even did these is because, like, I've always thought they were bomb. But my natural hair is going through some things right now. Yeah, I'm like, let me just do something different. Plus, I was tired of doing my real hair. So, yeah, I just love these, y'all. Like, they just look so natural. Everyone keeps complimenting me. Everyone's asking me a million questions about them. So, yeah, I did it myself. And my favorite hairstyle is, like, doing it half up, half down. I'll put a picture in so you can see. And what else about this? I don't know what else to say. Like, I just love it. But I'm going to just get right in. Okay, so here is what my hair looks like without the locks in it. The front of my hair is chopped up, y'all, because I have bangs. So please excuse this mess. I told you my natural hair is going through some things right now. And yes, I dyed only a patch of the front of my hair. Please just don't judge. But yeah, okay, so make sure you grab one of those latch things. I don't know what they're called, but they're at the hair store. They should be at the front of the hair store. They'll know exactly what you're talking about. They're only like $1. So yeah, grab one of those. You're going to stick it through your braid. Make sure your hair is pre-braided, because it just makes everything go faster. And then you're going to take the lock. It should already have like a loop at the end. You're going to put it at the end of the latch hook, and you're going to pull it through your braid. Then after that, you're going to open the hole, the hole that's already there, and you're going to put the braid and the lock through it together, and then you're going to tighten it into a knot. I messed up. Oh my God. I'm going to redo it in a minute, y'all. But I had put the baby hairs that I left out. I ain't left that. I mean, I didn't put it in the lock and the braid, and I'm still going. I don't know what the heck was wrong with me. And then I figured it out. So here I am taking it out, and you actually get to see how you take out locks. Well, kinda. And now I'm going to separate my baby hair. And now I'm going to redo it again. So put the latch hook right through the braid. Take the hole, close it up, pull it through, open the hole, and put the braid in the lock through the hole. And then you pull it. Make sure it's tight. It's not going to go anywhere. Like, your lock is not going to get loose or anything like that. Unless you, like, pull the locks up a lot. Like in a ponytail or something like that. Now, here's the part where it was kind of tricky for me. Honestly, because of this gold that I have in the front of my hair. You have to, like, make sure when you wrap the lock around your braid. Make sure you, like, wrap it around really tight. Because... especially if you have colored hair, because it's going to show. And I actually messed up on these lock y'all. Y'all going to see, like, once I'm done with them, that I had messed up in the front because, like, a lot of the gold was showing. Actually, you should be able to see it in the beginning of the video, in my intro. And I think it's because I was kind of rushing. Because, obviously, I took the locks out so I could show you guys how to do my locks. And I did mention that I did redo the front of my hair too. But yeah, I'm struggling right now. So I had to redo it. Y'all, I'm not going to lie to y'all. I had to redo it. And I took that blooper out. So this is the key. Make sure you separate the hair as you're wrapping it around your braid. Like, it just helps better. See? Like, I did it. And it just looks so much better. You can barely see the gold. I think you can kind of see like a little bit of the knot at the top, but it doesn't even matter. So I'm going to show you guys again for the people in the back who couldn't see what I did, because I did kind of struggle doing that first one. I swear every time I do these, like, I just get better at it. But yeah, put it through the hole and put the braid in the lock through the hole together. Make sure your baby hairs is not in it. I did it again. Oh my God. Oh Lord, help me, Jesus. So I'm just gonna, like, try to cover up that hair that I have, those little straggle pieces. I'm just gonna wrap the lock hair around it tight. And y'all, another thing, like, another advice, make sure, like, when you're wrapping the lock hair around your braid and when you're wrapping it tight, make sure it's going in the correct direction, because, like, oh my gosh, I accidentally was, like, wrapping it the opposite direction of the lock. So once I got done wrapping and I let my hands go, the lock literally twisted the opposite way and it looked a hot mess. I have so many bloopers, y'all. But, I mean, it's my first time doing these, so I'm learning every time I do them. Okay, so now things are going to get sped up because I did the locks at least like 3 good times. They were messy, guys. I'm sorry. I did end up redoing them. They were so messy. But honestly, like when I redid them off camera, nothing changed. I just did them neater. That's it. Literally. I still put the latch hook through the braid. I took the braid in the lock and I put it through the loophole and tightened it, and then I wrapped the lock around my braid. Like, it's literally a simple method. And I'm also going to link the girl whose tutorial that I watched and learned from. I'll link it in my description bar so you can, like, maybe get a better example with hers. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. I love it. I love it. If you guys have any questions, just like ask me. Because I couldn't think of like everything to tell you. But yeah. Thank you for watching.